Compatible with Socket Base AZXYI offers 6 pieces round sticky adhesive pads diameter, 1.4 inches, with pressure-sensitive adhesive on 2 sides for attaching socket base to your smartphone. Strong sticky adhesive AZXYI double-sided bonding adhesives successfully are compatible with collapsible phone grip socket for permanent and repositionable applications. Note: the liquid silicone phone case cannot be directly bonded with double-sided pressure-sensitive adhesive. The adhesion of liquid silica gel surface can be improved by the silica gel adhesive. Easy to use. To maximize adhesive contact, please clean the adhesive surface before use and let it dry, free of contaminates. And wait at least 24 hours to use after stuck. First, peel off the white side of the adhesive and stick it to the collapsible grip base. After applying some pressure on the adhesive, peel off the red film side of the adhesive and stick the collapsible grip to your phone case. Very high bond. These high-strength, double-sided adhesive pads let you quickly and easily create a long-lasting bond attaching various substrates/surfaces, stable even in bumpy roads, and actually builds strength over time. Durability. These double-sided stickers roll with pressure-sensitive adhesive bonds almost instantly with no drying time. It also resists heat and moisture, and protects adhesive surfaces against scratches, easy peels off without leaving any sticky residue behind. Top reviews from the United States. Worked like a charm. Super easy to apply, zero issues with it coming off.